Now we have all 8 holes, and now we can start gluing around here. So, very carefully we set that down there because these holes are not evenly spaced, believe it or not. Now we open up the Gorilla Glue. I get our gloves on first, that would probably be wise. Good. It doesn't take much of this stuff. In fact, I may have overdone it just a little bit. The holes are getting covered up. Okay. It's not an easy thing to do, believe it or not. It's very time consuming to do this. And it's very precise work, believe it or not. I know you're looking at this and you're thinking, oh gee, that's it. That's all there is to it. But it's actually very precise work. I mean, look at this. I've got a perfect circle going on here with the surround. Kinetic audio doesn't even have that most of the time. Of course, that's because they put the surround on the cones without putting the cones in the basket first. Now this surround I got for $8.95 a pair, as I recall, off of an eBay store based in China. So it's a Chinese cone, or surround rather, but it's rubber, and that's the important thing. It's going to give me more bass, a higher SPL, and it's just going to sound better and last longer. Okay. How long does this stuff take to set up, I wonder? Okay, 1 to 2 hours. So, when the glue is dry, I'm going to glue all of this here. Glue all of this there. And put this on there just like that. After cleaning it up, of course. And it'll be done. So, that's my tutorial on how to surround a speaker. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you learned something. I'll see you some other time.